12 if it's too bright. But we're at Munsan today. This is Munsan, so we're going to Daiso, of course. Okay, this Daiso has 2 floors. Wait, do they have the candle that I like? Ako parang gusto ko ng kandila. Is it this one?
Ano yan? Kandila yan?
Ang bango. Tingnan mo. Gusto ko amoy sabon. Okay, medyo nagba-blackout ako sa mga need kong bilhin. Pretty sure I need this. Alam ko, I need ko ng sabon. Ba't anong sabon? Yogi May. See? Alam ko ito yung kailangan ko eh. Okay, I need soap. Also, I need this one. Yep. Wait, ang bigat. Wait lang. I'm pretty sure I need this. One for shampoo. One for body wash. Pero I won't have to like put the whole bottle in my bath basket. These are cute, but like they're not pink, so I'm not sure. This is too big. I also need like a reusable cup because I've been using yung disposable na galing sa e-mart. This is cute, but like, do they have it in pink? Like, I can live with this. It's just for juice anyway. And I really liked the peach iced tea that I bought before. So I think I'll buy more. This is not it. This was it. But this is like 2,000. It's just 6 sticks. Ito naman. I'm not sure. But let's try. There you go. Hey, look at it. So pink one. What are you? This one is so cute. This is cute, but it's also a bit basic. Like, let me check. I want something with like ruffles. So the same. Okay, it's a no. Okay, I also need like a hair clamp because I broke mine. But I don't see any cute ones that I like. Do you see the ones up there? It's not my type. I really need lotion. Baby powder body lotion for dry skin. Or this one. How many ml is this? How many ml are you? How about this one? This one for sure. 390 ml. 500 ml. I'll get this one. Hey. See, they have better options sa cup. Ito na lang kaya.
Mas maganda
Mas
to.
maganda nga to. Ito na lang.
Mas maganda to. Mas malaki-laki pa.
See, the shampoo is here. But I'm not sure what to get. For body wash, I'll get this. This is 900 grams. So, it's good. What else? This one has ginseng on it. It's 500 ml. Should I try this one? Will it be good? Let's try this. If it's good. Okay, body wash and shampoo. That's all I need. And now we have TAKOBI. Favorite.
Our new favorite.
Best box. Yes. 안녕하세요. 베스트 박스 하나 주세요.
Mamaya na lang tayo mag-take.
오케이. 네. May writing sila, oh. Ang funny dito. Ang galing nila mag-drawing. Oh. May nakalagay dito, Kim Soto Neko. Lalagay din ako. Park Chanyol Neko.
Meron may sulat.
Ito. Sulat ka. Park Chan. Neko. Neko ya. Neko ya. Neko. Park Chanyol Neko. Takobi. Takobi, takobi, takobi. Takobi, baby. Galaw ba siya? Gumagalaw siya. Buhay yan, no? Ito na, magmumukbang na, ha? Oh, sige. Mainggit kayo. Gusto niya yan, ha? This is like National Bookstore. Got myself a book. Now I'm looking for cute pencils. Actually, nag-iinata lang ako. Gusto ko lang ng magandang ball pen or pencil so I can SULBING.
Sure niya tayo kasi malaki yun.
Feeling ko nga. Mukha nga.
Ano bet mo? Mahilig ka sa mango. Mahilig din ako sa mango.
So, ito.
Chocolate. Chocolate din ka din.
Ano yung natikman nyo?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Talang. Lumani ko. Yan lang. Yan lang.
Parang ba't ako pinapay?
Okay lang kapag may hati. 안녕하세요. 킹망고스
킹망고스.
네, 하나 주세요. 그리고 모짜렐라 인절미 토스트
모짜렐라 인절미 토스트
하나
하나요?
주세요. 네.
사대 결제 하시나요?
네.
영수증 필요하세요?
네. 감사합니다. 아! Thank you po. Wow! Gagi, ang laki.
Kaya ba natin?
Mukbang, diba? O, ayan. Sige, mainggit kayo ulit. Mga pinapagawa niyo sa akin. Okay. Angel me. Ano naman yun? Wala naman alam. This is Kalibiyang. Hala, ang cute! Ang hirap na. Wala tayong bibilin. Tinitingin lang ako.
Sulitin na natin ang pagtitingin.
Titingin lang eh. Hala! Sale pa rin to. Okay. This one is really cute. See that? Momo cute. They're like bears on it. Okay, Momo cute na. Dudu. Feeling ko need ko nito. Ito lang bibilin ko. Only this one. Uy, OMG. You see that? Uy, may bodana dito. They don't have the color that I want. I want like this one, but like in marshmallow pink. They don't have it. Meron sila here, the Riddle Shot 300. It's 38,701. I've been using the one for from Daiso. I'll show it later. Shit, they have fashion here. Wala, they have it here. Wala, wait lang. Wala, ano to? Trouble serum plus toning ampoule. Marka. Hello. Okay, bumili si Mia ng taco before take out. So I'm going to Paris Spaghetti because I want my coin naman. Yay. May dalawa pa. I'll have this. Yay. Mukha. Mo. Back home. I'm back to dorm. And I'm going to do a haul because I bought quite a lot. A bit of a lot. So, Daiso. So, first things, I wanna show what I bought from Olivier. Ito lang ang binili ko. This one lang. Just this one. And it was not even on sale. Why is it not on sale? Like, pili lang pala yung naka-sale. Hindi ko alam. Pinush ko pa na mabili kasi I thought it was on sale. Hindi dapat ako bibili. Kasi marunong magbasa, ba't hindi kasi magbasa? Pero marami akong babalikan doon because they have a lot of like promos, yung mga parang combination products. Like, I wanna try Fation. I was also looking for something with benzyl peroxide and salicylic acid, but apparently it's banned in Korea. So I'll just buy it online. Alright, what else? Okay. First thing from my Daiso haul is this one. I wanna show this one first because I already put water in it and like ice in it. And I bought this because I keep buying those plastic cups sa convenience store. Those plastic cups with ice in them. I can just buy this. It's only 2,001. And then like just put ice in it. And then if I want to like drink Coke, I'll bring this sa convenience store. And then just put Coke in it. Because I have this. This one, no? I have this. I keep buying this. It's like, how much is it? Forgot. It's more than 1,000 won for sure. And this has my peach iced tea in it. Peach iced tea that I bought from Daiso Myeongdong. I actually really like it, so I'm gonna buy more. But I haven't finished the one I bought before. So di mo na ako bumili for now. Okay, next thing I wanna show is this candle. I also saw this Myeongdong Daiso and it smells heavenly. Like, what is it? Milano? This is Milano candle. And it smells so good. It's like, I can't describe, but it just smells really clean. Like, okay. And I also bought a lighter so I can light it. Wait. They don't have this in pink, so wag na mag-inarte. Lighter lang naman. I'm gonna light it up. Bobo. Diba? Take 2. It smells so good. Seriously. It's like... Ah, I love it. I love it so much. Okay. One of my many purchases is only 3,000 won. So it's like 120 pesos. I love it so much. Okay. I'm gonna put it here lang sa gilid. What should I do next? Okay, essentials. I also bought laundry soap and fabric conditioner, fabric blossom, lavender blossom. They say it's a lot cheaper to buy online, like Coupang, G Market, but that's if you buy in bulk. I'm not ready to buy in bulk. I'm not ready to spend 20,000 won on fabric conditioner when I can just buy one first. This will last me for like a month for just 2,000 won. That's like 1/10 of the price. I'll just buy in bulk when I'm ready to buy in bulk. Okay? So yeah, okay. And the next one is body wash. I got this body wash. I'm not sure. I got it because it's pink, of course. It's 5,000 won. So around 200 pesos for like, how many? 900 grams. Okay, I like the smell. It smells... I thought it's gonna smell rosy, like flowery, but it's alright. I also got this shampoo. It says shampoo with red ginseng extracts for weakened hair and scalp. Okay. Also, I got refill bottles. It okay? Because these are too big for my bath basket. So what I'm planning to do is like pour it in these containers for like just 1,000 won, so for like 40 pesos. I'm a mess. Sayang. Balik kayo sa loob. Okay. I'll just wash it later. Pero this is body soap. Wait, let me wipe a bit. What was the other one? This one. Hair loss shampoo. Because hair loss shampoo is apparently really good for like the scalp. Like it kinda, you know, better scalp, better hair. So it has menthol, dexpanthenol, and salicylic acid. This is just 3,001. Since I'm gonna do it like they say, like you have to rub it in the hair, the actual hair, before you wash it off. Like for example, I have this thing. You have to massage it where the hair is thinning for at least like, and leave it there for like at least 5 minutes before you wash it off. That's how to make sure that the active ingredients are working on your scalp and also on your skin. But also when you're using like a salicylic face wash, you have to like put it in your face for at least 5 minutes. Leave it on the face, let it work before you rinse it off. Okay, so that's this one. I'm gonna just let it stay there. It's just 300 ml anyway. So I'm gonna do like everything shower. I'm gonna use that. Alright, what else? I also got lotion because, oh, this is Vaseline Dermaplex. I thought it's another brand. It's also Vaseline. Wait, what's the smell? It's supposed to be coconut. Oh, okay, it smells like coconut. So it has vitamin E, ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and Vaseline Vaseline jelly. So it's for really dry skin. Cause since I've been taking baths with hot water, because I can't like survive without it, my skin is getting really dry because of the hot water. So I need to like apply lotion. What else did I buy? Not so much. Why did I buy so much? Okay, this is sunscreen, Daily Family sun cream, but I'm gonna use it for my body. Does it have a smell? Because I don't like the smell of sunscreen that's just like, it smells like chlorine, you know. Oh, there's a distinctive smell for like, especially those sunblocks for like swimming, like, okay, that's okay. because it's getting really sunny, and it's not really, the sun here is like pang design lang, it's just for design. It's not even warm. I mean, it's a bit warm, but like Philippines warm. It's just for light. The sun here is just for light. So, but it still has UV rays. So this is very important. Like I have to remember to apply this every morning, and then reapply in the during lunch, so that I am very protected. Because you know. What else? I had this. I said before that I didn't buy. Apparently I did. It's my peach tea. I'm gonna add it here because it's tasting really very bland now. Okay. How does it taste? Still very bland. Parang walang sugar. It's just tea and peach. No sugar whatsoever. Walang lasa. Getting quite used to it. Lastly, I have this. This is hydrocolloid band. Like I use this at night. Like I have this like breakouts, and sometimes when they're near each other, it's really awkward to put pimple patches, like separate pimple patches on them. So I just use these pads, like, and then it looks like this, and then I cut it up, like depending on the my pimples. The first one that I bought last time, it's not very sticky. It looks like this one. This is a different brand. This one. It's not very sticky. And it usually like disappears when I wake up. Like it's not there anymore. So I don't know what to use that with. But like, let me try this one. And just hope that it's better than the first one. I can throw this out. I just need this one. I do. Okay, that's all. That's all for my haul. Actually. That's it, right? I have nothing else. This is the book that I bought from the bookstore that we went to. It's actually a vocabulary book for English, but it's like English and then Korean. So like it has like activities. It's like a workbook that I can answer and like improve my vocabulary. It says bokaguk, easy test. So there's like different levels. I also got this. It's like a Kurumi pencil, mechanical pencil. This is actually expensive, it's 9,000 won. This is 11,000 won. It's almost the same. This is just like a pencil, and it's purple. I have to accept the fact that Kurumi is purple. And then I got like refills. It's also Kurumi. This brand is Uni, right? Is this how you open it? Okay, it looks like that. Then it closes like this. Diba? Really cute. I will study tomorrow. I will. I'm not going out. I'm not going out. Really. Okay, so that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.